Everything is temporary, but the love and care of our parents is permanent. We couldn't guess how our parents sacrificed lots of things for us. They do whatever they are capable of doing for us or their child. I many times regret on my mistake that why I behave so bad to them. I regret and want to improve many mistakes. Why I am so worried about some desires which are only temporary. As time increases, the desires also be destroyed. I regret why I am this type of person. I regret everything and want to improve many things from my life which are bad in me. Why I am so obsessed with the outer beauty of the world. They all are imaginary things and destroyed with the time. I am very sad of what I am doing and wanted to improve everything which I done wrong in my life. I thank the God whatever He given to me and does not blame on Him that I wanted to live life more luxurious as I am living. From today I will work on me and try not to focus on the things which I does not have. From today I will also work hard to achieve all those things which I does not have. I must say that it's all about eyes. Eyes speaks more than words. You can clearly see love or hate in the eyes of other person. Sometime in love, lovers speak with their eyes, not by words. I think eyes are the mirror by which people see others person intention. In my opinion, I love is the purest form of love. Platonic love is the real love. Sometimes tears are tears are not used to show pain. Sometimes it shows the hard work and your dedication towards the thing which you achieve. Eyes never tell a lie. By seeing other person's eyes, you can clearly identify that other person is lying. The first thing I notice in a person is the eyes of the person because eyes never tell a lie. Eyes are the most beautiful part of our body. Every eyes are so pretty and beautiful and every eye tells a different story. The first stage to become successful is to dream what you want to become in future. Dreams are those which we see by open eyes. So it is very important to dream big. When you see big dreams, firstly you feel very tense that it is in my range or out of my range. Firstly, people will also laugh at you. People will demotivate you. People will throw stones at you. But you have to only focus in the dream and do whatever is right for your dream. Dare to dream big. If you think small, then it is not right. Because there is only and only one life and you have to make it large. Don't think in future what will happen. You only have to focus on present and take one by one step at a time. When you chase your dream, everything seems better, right and beautiful. So at last, I just want to say that chase your dream because dreams come true. I hate how fast the night changes. Since childhood, many things had changed. In childhood, we enjoyed little things. We are happy with the small things which we got, but now the time had changed. Now even big things does not give pleasure and happiness to us. We are busy by seeing the life of other people. We are running after the money and money. If our one desire is fulfilled, then we are happy. But after some time, we bored from that thing and run after other desire. In childhood, one toffee gives us lots of happiness. We know the real value of one toffee at that time, but now even the big things of crore does not give us happiness and we want more. That's why I says that I hate how fast the night changes. In childhood, we spend time with our parents and friends, but now as the time increases, we are so busy in our stuff that we are not able to spend single minute with them. With the increase of time, we lost everything. Our smile, our childish behavior, our enjoyment, our laughter, everything. That's the only reason why I hate how fast the night changes.